Every second, thousands of bottles of Coca-Cola are consumed around the world. But have you ever wondered what it actually takes to create this iconic drink? From pure water to a perfectly carbonated beverage, the process behind Coca-Cola is a mix of precision, technology, and massive industrial power. Today, we're going inside the factory. It all starts with water, but not normal water. Inside the factory, it goes through deep purification, removing even microscopic impurities. Then comes the secret part, the syrup. A mix of sugar, flavoring, and caramel color. The exact formula? Still one of the biggest secrets in the world. Now the purified water and syrup are combined. Everything is controlled by machines. Even a tiny mistake can change the taste completely. Here's where the magic happens. Carbonation. Carbon dioxide is injected under high pressure. Creating those iconic bubbles you see in every sip. At the same time, bottles are being made. Small plastic pieces are heated, stretched, and blown into perfect bottle shapes in seconds. Before filling, every bottle is cleaned using high-pressure water and steam. Nothing is left to chance. Then the filling begins. Hundreds of bottles are filled every minute, perfectly measured, perfectly timed. Watch closely. The foam forming at the top. That's fresh carbonation locking inside. Next, caps are sealed instantly. This keeps the drink fresh and prevents the gas from escaping. Labels are applied with perfect precision. And bottles are grouped into packs using robotic arms. Inside the warehouse, thousands of bottles are stacked and ready. From here, they're shipped across the world. Within days, that same bottle reaches your local store, ready to be opened. And that's the insane journey behind every single bottle of Coca-Cola.